Let's be real, buying a car is a huge investment, but the price tag on the window is only half the story. Between routine oil changes and those unexpected engine lights, maintenance can eat a hole in your wallet faster than you can say tow truck. If you're an importer or a car buyer looking to avoid a financial headache, you need a ride that stays on the road and out of the shop. Every dollar counts, right? That's why today we're breaking down the top 10 vehicles for 2025 known for their rock-solid reliability and incredibly low maintenance costs. Let's save you some money. First up, the heavyweight champion of reliability, the Toyota Corolla. In 2025, it's still the gold standard for budget-conscious drivers. It's famous for high efficiency and low repair frequency. Plus, parts are everywhere and super cheap, keeping your long-term costs at rock bottom. Next is the legendary Honda Civic. Whether you grab the sedan or the sporty hatchback, the Civic is built like a tank but designed with simplicity, fewer trips to the mechanic, and more years of worry-free driving. If you want more room and comfort without the luxury car repair bills, the Toyota Camry is your best bet. These things are tanks. Many easily cross the 200,000-mile mark with just basic oil changes and brake pads. It's maximum durability for minimum stress. The Hyundai Elantra has really stepped up its game. It combines affordable parts with one of the best warranties in the business. It's the perfect pick if you want modern tech and comfort without the fear of high maintenance overhead. For those who actually enjoy driving, the Mazda 3 proves you don't have to pay a premium for style. It's reliable, holds its resale value well, and uses high-quality components that resist those annoying unexpected failures. It's a fantastic year-round performer. The Honda Accord hits that sweet spot between performance and space. Because it uses time-tested, proven mechanicals, parts are easy to find and mechanics know them inside out. Whether you're commuting in the city or hitting the open prairie, the Accord has your back. Need all-wheel drive without the SUV price tag? The Subaru Impreza is a winter warrior. It's one of the few compacts with standard AWD, and Subaru's boxer engines are built for the long haul. Keep up with the routine service, and this car will treat your bank account very well. The Kia Forte continues to blow people away with its low cost of ownership. It's simple to maintain, great on gas, and the replacement parts are among the most affordable in the 2025 market. It's a top-tier candidate for high-value driving. For the SUV lovers, the Toyota RAV4 is the king of versatility. You get the space you need with the legendary low maintenance of a Toyota sedan. Its drivetrain is engineered to last, ensuring you stay on the road with minimal upkeep costs. Rounding out our list is the Nissan Altima. It's a solid sedan that offers great all-weather performance, especially with the available AWD. It's a smart choice for drivers who want peace of mind and reliable performance without the premium repair price tag. At the end of the day, a car should be a tool that gets you where you need to go, not a burden that keeps you broke. By choosing one of these 10 models, an importer or a daily driver can rest easy knowing they've made a high-value, low-stress choice. Data for this list is backed by long-term reliability ratings from industry leaders like Consumer Reports and CarEdge, which track real-world repair costs over 10-year periods. Which of these would you park in your driveway? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more automotive tips that save you money. See you in the next one.